Looking for the best place to stay in Fraser Hill? In this video, we'll give you a full tour of Wyndham Garden Fraser Hill. Let's see if this hotel in Bukit Fraser is really worth it. It has a welcoming check-in area that feels modern but still keeps a mountain retreat vibe. The check-in process was smooth and the staff were polite, making the first impression a positive one. Our room cost about 300 ringgit per night. For Fraser Hill, that's on the slightly higher side, but you do get a lot of value. The room was spacious, very clean, and cozy enough for a couple or small family. The bed was comfortable and there was enough walking space so it didn't feel cramped. One of the highlights of this hotel stay was definitely the balcony. It opened up to a calming green view, fresh air, misty weather, and the peaceful Fraser Hill atmosphere. The room came well equipped, an iron with an ironing board, a smart TV with Netflix for entertainment, and plenty of charging points. The bathroom was spotless, with all the basic toiletries provided. The best part was the bathtub, which is a rare find in some Fraser Hill hotels. It made the stay feel more relaxing. We'd rate the room a strong 9 out of 10, comfortable, clean, and worth the money if you want a proper hotel experience in Bukit Fraser. Parking is the one weak spot here. Spaces are outdoors and uncovered, so if it rains, which it often does in Fraser Hill, your car is going to get wet. The hotel itself is well located. Wyndham Garden is only a 5-minute walk from the iconic Fraser Hill Clock Tower, which is basically the town center. That makes it easy to explore restaurants, cafes, and nearby attractions without driving. Breakfast was priced at 35 ringgit per person. It was a buffet with the usual choices: bread, eggs, sausages, and some local dishes. But strangely, no rice, which is unusual for Malaysia. The variety wasn't huge, but it was enough to start the day. So, should you book Wyndham Garden Fraser Hill? Overall, we'd say yes. The staff were friendly, the rooms were comfortable, and the location was excellent. It is a little on the expensive side, but if you want a proper Fraser Hill hotel stay that's cozy and convenient, this one delivers.